there. Well, it's me, the Chief Elf, wanting to see if we can help you with your Christmas plans. How are they going? 2.5 weeks, can you hardly believe it? Anyway, I just wanted to show a couple of things to you for decor and centerpieces in case you're kind of looking around for something unusual to do. This week we did some things for a client with these really fun sparkle battery, they're like a starburst. The smaller one we had down the center of the table with some fresh flowers. You could also do it with just an arrangement. It would be really pretty. And we have lots of these arrangements in the shop made up for you. They look very real. And all you have to do is add some candles and you're good to go. Some other fun things that you can do for down the center of your table are these little lit presents. They're kind of fun, and there's 2 sizes, so you could have a little conglomerate of them, and again you could add these little lights. There's also a taller one that you could put on a mantle. Might be a wee bit tall for people seeing across the table. And these candles are really fun. They're on a clip. You can put them on a tree, but imagine having your side plates with a little candle clipped onto them down the center of your table. They could be quite magical. What else have I got to tell you? Well, we have these little candle rings with a battery candle, but we put lights in the candle rings so they sparkle. This too would be really pretty with these little starbursts. I just love them. We found a new supplier with these this year and they just seem really fun. The other thing is this hanging one that you could put over your table for a little mini chandelier. It's just kind of good fun. We also have some beautiful napkins. Noel, this one is Noel if you're doing a little bit of gold. The other one is snowflakes in silver, and there's sets of 4 for $24, so that makes them pretty reasonable because that's $6 each and they're good quality. The other thing that I think is really interesting to magnify whatever you do are these mirrors. So if you have a little centerpiece that you want to highlight, even just doing that and a little bit of greenery adds something magical to your table with very little effort. What else have I got to tell you? Well, we have these wonderful lit houses too that are still very popular, very pretty on a fireplace, a mantle, or a side table. And of course we have Megan's fairies this year once again. This is our little fairy for this year. They've been selling very well. We have a few left if you want to give those as gifts. They're very thoughtful with the little tag. So maybe something to think about with that. And also indigenous, these ornaments that come in dear little boxes to support our indigenous artists. And the art on each ball is quite exquisite, and they're done by Canadian artists. Also, if you're giving wine for a gift, it's fun to hang a little treat on top of it. So this was just one elongated one. We also have, and I didn't bring them to the table, but we have the signs in rhinestones: peace, love, joy. They make lovely little additions to a well, you could put them on a glass of wine, but on the bottle of wine. So just a little thought there. So that does it for my little highlights for today. But and all I want to tell you, these little tags go on a lot of our bags, as some of you will know if you've been to the shop. All you need is love. Ain't it the truth? And our little snowman, I forgot to tell you, my buddy. We have lots of snowmen. We are the Snowman factory after all. So there you go. Hope your plans are going